Disabling Google Analytics tag implementation is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, it is essential to understand what Google Analytics is and how it works. Google Analytics is a web analytics service that tracks and reports website traffic, providing insights into user behavior and demographics. The first step to disable Google Analytics tag implementation is to access the Google Tag Manager account associated with the website. Google Tag Manager is a tool that allows users to manage and deploy marketing and analytics tags on their website. To access the account, users need to log in to the Google Tag Manager website and select the container that corresponds to the website. Once the container is selected, the next step is to navigate to the Tags section. In this section, users can view all the tags that are currently implemented on the website, including the Google Analytics tag. To disable the Google Analytics tag, users need to click on the tag and select the Delete option. Alternatively, users can also disable the tag by clicking on the toggle button next to the tag name. Another way to disable Google Analytics tag implementation is to use the Google Analytics debug mode. This mode allows users to test and debug their Google Analytics setup without affecting the live data. To access the debug mode, users need to add a parameter to the Google Analytics tracking code. This parameter will enable the debug mode, and users can then view the debug information in the browser console. It is also important to note that disabling Google Analytics tag implementation will not delete the existing data, but it will prevent any new data from being collected. If users want to delete the existing data, they need to contact Google support and request that the data be deleted. Best practices for disabling Google Analytics tag implementation include ensuring that all stakeholders are aware of the change and that the website is thoroughly tested after the change. Additionally, users should also consider implementing alternative analytics solutions to ensure that they can still collect data and insights about their website traffic. In conclusion, disabling Google Analytics tag implementation is a relatively simple process that can be completed in a few steps. By following the steps outlined in this guide, users can ensure that their Google Analytics tag is disabled, and they can prevent any new data from being collected.